Everybody is looking for ways to make their multilingual teams more efficient. Here are 5 pitfalls you need to avoid. First up, technical terminology confusion. When engineers use different terms for the same concept, chaos ensues. Standardizing terminology and creating glossaries can save the day. Next, assumptions about language proficiency. Just because someone nods doesn't mean they understood. Always repeat key points and ensure clarity. Third, culture-based communication differences. Direct feedback might be normal in Germany, but it can be unsettling for a Japanese colleague. Adding context and politeness bridges cultural gaps. Fourth, unclear written instructions. Vague emails lead to confusion and mistakes. Clear, well-structured instructions are the way to go. Finally, over-reliance on jargon and acronyms. It's like speaking a different language. Provide a legend to decode those terms. Avoid these pitfalls, and your multilingual team will thrive. Want more multilingual communication tips? Follow me.